Fuck you wearing an umbrella in the house for, nigga? Is it raining inside? No. You're a very special individual. When it rains, you shine. It's cool, my. That's a lazy ass umbrella, so you can't even hold the goddamn pole with the umbrella. No, it's gotta go around the chin.
Yes, you both need them. You both need them.
What a time to be alive.